R2 rate of interest. Overall ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್ 1 year, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ 1 yearಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು 1 yearಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದು 1 year ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್. R3 rate of interest ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರಿ R3 rate of interest ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅವರೇಜ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ವಾಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ನ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ನೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇವನು ಇಷ್ಟು ತಂದುಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇವನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ತಂದುಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. S1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ S2 ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರದು ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು S3. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಓಕೆ, 10% ಆಫ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. Okay, so that I will get this. These are two units we will use it. Okay, so if you see here, a man had 50,000 rupee. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ 50,000 rupee ಇದೆ. He had 50,000 rupee. Out of 50,000 rupee he will give for first person. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ 10% ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ? 10% ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ? 15% ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 50,000 ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ 15%. ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಫ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? 6,000 ರೂಪಿ ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಿಡಲಲ್ಲೂ ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 6,000 ಟು ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್. ಇವನು 6,000 ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟ. 6,000 ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಂದುಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಆನ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 15,000 ಮೇಲೆ 6,000 ರೂಪಿ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟ. ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಎನಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್ ಇಂಟು 100. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 12 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 6,000 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 15,000 1/4. ಸೊ 15,000 ಇಂಟು 100. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 12%. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 3 2s 3 5s, again 5 1s 5 20s, again zeros get cancelled, you will get answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? 5 1s 5 2s. Here 30 get cancelled. 15,000, sorry, no 50,000. yes 50,000, right? That is 15,000 ಅಲ್ಲ 50,000, that is. Okay, so then yeah, you will get here actually that correct answer 12 only. Okay, so that answer, if I solve this equation and 3 zeros, you will get answer. So 51s 52s 12% you will get. Mind calculation easily I can solve it. So answer easiಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 6,000 ರೂಪಿ 50,000 ರೂಪಿ 12%, because 10% is 5,000. That is I solved previously. 12%. Now if I do alligation, 15 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 3. ಓಕೆ, 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವನಿಗೆ 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ವಿ, ಇವನಿಗೆ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 50,000 ಇಫ್ ಐ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ 3:2, ಇವನಿಗೆ 30,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಇವನಿಗೆ 20,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು 10% ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್. 10% ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ? 30,000 ರೂಪಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಒನ್ಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ. Tell me.
Please, speaking English, I wish something.
Tell me. What's the doubt? Okay,
No,
right
sir,
on.
I understand the question, but I'm currently speaking English. I miss this some
Wait,
concept and when
wait,
you speaking
wait.
them.
We'll do one more, then you'll understand. Just add on this question.
No, sir, I understand the concept.
Okay, fine. Over this, writing over. Okay. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Even if I solve in previous method, here I can change my method also. Say now, if I solve this question, I have 25,000. I will give 12% interest for first person. For second person, I am going to give 14% interest. ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? 3260 ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್. 3260 ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 25,000. Out of 25,000. To convert any fraction to percentage into 100, we have to write it everything in percentage. Now if I solve this 30, here 30 get cancelled, 25 ones I have to cancel. 25 300 is a 12 time, 13 time 325, 1 by 25 remaining. Okay, so remaining will be, you can write it 25 13s are remaining 1 by 25. Okay, so otherwise this equation I can write it, I can cancel this 30, this 30, this 30. Now this is a 326 divided by 25 is the remaining will be, I can write it 326 divided by 25. Yesterday I told you I don't want denominator, then which method I will use it to remove denominator? Can anyone, online students, which method we will use it to remove denominator? I don't like here denominator. Multiplied by 25. Whatever you have LCM of the denominator. Here LCM denominator is 1. Here denominator is 1. Here denominator is 25. Then I will take LCM of 1, 1, 25. 25 is the LCM. Then all numbers I will multiply with the 25. Yesterday we have discussed this concept. I hope you remember. So 25. Online students reply. 25 and 25. So now 25 get cancelled. 12 into 25. Can I write 12 into 25 will be how much? That is, sorry, 300. 25 into 14 will be 350. Okay, now here 326 is the remaining. Now 300 and 326 difference will be 26. Okay, 326 and 350 difference will be 24. Can I write ratio will be 12 is to 13? Ratio will be 12 is to 13, which means out of my amount I will give 12 parts to this person, I will give this person 13 parts, which means I have total 25,000. 25,000 if I divide with 12 parts and 13 parts, you will get 12,000, you will get 13,000. Yes or no? Because 12 plus 13 total 25. 25 parts is equal to 25,000. One part is equal to 1,000. Then you will get 12,000, you will get 13,000. But question they are asking 14% how much amount, which means this they are asking, this value they are asking. So answer will be 13,000. I hope it is clear, everyone.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, write on this. We'll do another way also. Instead of doing all these things in exam, In exam we can do it still fast. How to do that? I will write it here, method 2. Is it writing over? Okay, see,
Yes,
I will
sir.
write it. Observe here, method 2. Total amount is 25,000. Total amount is 25,000. I will give some amount, for example, some amount for 12% rate of interest. Astena, starting 12 na? 12% rate of interest. For second person, how much amount? 14%. For 14% person, I will write like this. For this person, I will give 12%. For this person, I will give 14%. Instead of 14%, I will write it 12% plus 2%. 12% plus 2%. Why I am writing like this? With basic example, I will take it. Let's take it basic example. For example, I will give 5. I have total. Let's take it 10,000 rupee. Example I will take. I am not going to discuss that question. 10,000 rupee I have. For first person, 4,000 rupee I will give. Easy number I will take. 4,000 rupee I will give 10% rate of interest. For second person, I will give 6,000 rupee for 12% rate of interest. Instead of 12%, can I write 10% plus 2% also? Now, for first person, how much amount I will give? 4,000 rupee. For second person, how much amount I will give? 6,000 rupee. Can I calculate like this? For both the persons, they will give this amount first. This first I will calculate. Here 4,000 is, can I take 10% is a common? Here 4,000 plus 6,000, both the persons they will give 10% of 10,000, that is 1,000 rupee. Okay, 1,000 rupee. Then this person will give extra again 2% of 6,000, that is 120 rupee. Okay, this is 120 rupee. Now using this concept, now I will say like this. This amount I don't know. This amount also I don't know. Now I need to calculate. For first person how much amount, for second person how much amount. This is the data I have. Okay, this is the data I have. Okay, for both the persons, let's take it how much amount? 12% they will give. For both the persons they will give 12%. 12 no, not 12. Wait, so this person will give how much amount? 4,000, 6,000. Okay, let's assume that, no problem, we can take that. See now how to do it. How to do this question? Observe here, very important thing. Okay, very important thing. Let's take it original number, because I want one more data. 4,000 means 400 plus 600 plus 120, 720, 1,020 they will give, both the persons. Both the persons how much they will give? Let's take it 1,020, because 12% of 6,000 will be 12 6 720 plus 400, that is 1,120. Both the persons, in this is a question they will give in exam. 10,000 rupee amount I have. First person will give 10%, second person will give 12%. Both together they will get 1,120 rupee they will give. Now tell me, if we give 10%, if we give 10% plus 12%, can I write it? Both the persons will give 10% of 10,000, 1,000 rupee only. 1,000 rupee only. But this person will give extra. How much percentage extra? 2%. How much extra here I got it? 120 I got extra. So 2% is equal to 120. 1% is equal to 60. So this person total will be 100%. 100% will be 6,000 rupee. You will get how much amount? 6,000 rupee. Out of 10,000, if we get 6,000, here I will get 4,000 rupee. Okay, 4,000 rupee. Now see this question how I am going to solve in our example. Without pen and paper, most of the questions we can solve using this method, splitting method. Sometimes you feel difficult to find out rate of interest here. Here you can do it this method. Observe here. 12% some amount I will give. 14% some amount I will give. That amount I don't know, but all together this amount I will give. All together ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? 3,260 Okay, so ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರಿ they will give amount, both members will give 3,260 rupee. Okay, now total principal will we have 25,000 rupee total I have amount. This 25,000 I am going to divide with these two persons. End of the year they will give 3260. Now year 12 percentage, overall 12 percentage only, average. Okay, leave it, this 2 percentage you will calculate later. So year 12 percentage, overall will be 12 percentage, 12 percentage of 25,000. Okay, so 12 percentage 25,000 will be 3,000, because 10 percentage is 2,500, 2 percentage will be 500. Correct? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? 12% of 25,000 will be 3,000. Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3,000 only they have to give, but they will give 3,260. How much extra? 260. Why extra? Because this person will give 2 percentage extra. This 2 percentage value is equal to 260. 2 percentage 260 means 1 percentage generate 130. If 1 percentage is 130, this is completely, this amount is 100 percentage. 100 percentage is equal to 13,000. You will give 13,000 rupee. I mean, you will get 13,000 rupee. Out of 25,000, if you get 13,000 rupee, you will get 12,000 rupee. Okay, you will get 12,000 rupee. That will be your answer. Is it clear method to reply all? 12,000 rupee.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write on this. Overwriting. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Clear? We'll do some more questions. See this question again. We'll solve it. Here they'll ask what is the ratio of the money lent. Ratio, both persons money lent. So here let's solve it. Directly method 3, method 2 I will apply. Okay, so total 1550 amount I have. This amount I will give 5 percentage this person. This person 8 percentage means can I rate 5 plus 3? Okay, I will write it 5 plus 3 percentage. End of the 3 years, very important it is. But rate of interest for how many years? 1 year, per annum it is. But end of 3 years you will get 300 means per annum is 1 year 100 rupee. Okay, both the persons they will get 100 rupee per annum. It is for 300 for 3 years, but I want for 1 year. Okay, I want for 1 year. So 300 rupee they will get for 3 years, but I want for 1 year. Okay, I want for 1 year. 1 year I will get 100 rupee interest for both the persons. Okay, now 1550 I will take. E is 5 percentage, E is 5 percentage means overall 5 percentage both the persons he will give first. 5 plus 5, 5 percentage plus 5 percentage, 5 percentage only, not 10 percentage. 5 percentage of 1550, half of 155. Yes or no? Because 10 percentage is 155, half of 155, 150 of 75, 5 of 2.5, that is 77.5. Correct? 77.5. But Ibru seri tankotido 100 actually. Ibru seri tankotido esto 100. Both the persons will give 100, which means extra 22.5. Okay, extra 22.5. So that is equal to 3 percentage. 3 percentage is equal to 22.5. Then 1 percentage is equal to 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. 1 percentage is equal to 7.5. If 1 percentage is equal to 7.5, this complete is 100 percentage. 100 percentage is equal to 750. Yes or no? If he will get 750 rupee, if out of 1550, if he is get 750, he will get 800. The ratio I want now, 800 is to 750. Can I do double double? 1600 is to 1500. Double concept. Then if I do ratio, your answer will be 16 is to 15. I hope you understand this. Is it clear? Online students also reply.
Yes, sir.
So any new students today? Lepakshi, Preeti, Vignesh, Rani. Okay, bon. Fine. Try to write on this. So like this we can solve it easily. Instead of calculating now, if I want to calculate 100 on, see, if you solve this equation in basic method, you will feel tough. See, if you want, I will write it basic method. Just, is it overwriting this? Okay, write on. I will erase this. Basic alligation method, I will write it. You feel tough this question, because you have to multiply it by difficult numbers. Yes, 100 divided by 155, that is 10 divided by 155. 5 2s are 520, 31s are, you have to multiply. 31 into 5, 31 into 8, again that is the case you have. Okay, next, see this question in alligation, how to solve another question. This is a question here. Just a minute, it will come. Yeah, this is a question. One more I think I have. I'll check it. See this. You try and tell me answer. You try to do it and tell me answer. Over no? Anyone, any online students, can you reply what's the answer here? Any online students? Okay. Clear? Not getting? Let's solve it. No one? This is the amount. See this question, if you solve basics.
So 8 passes 6275.
Okay. But here they are asking 5%, which means this amount, I think. This amount they are asking. You have to subtract it.
Yeah.
See, if you do basic method this question, I will explain allegation also, but you should know that you will get to know what is the difference here. So if I solve this equation, 8 percentage per annum, 5 percentage per annum. First one is 8 percentage per annum. Sorry, partly 5% per annum remaining. Correct? Some amount is 8%, some amount is 5%. How much amount is money is now I can explain another way also both. 5% per annum you need to find out. Both ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ 688.25. Both interest they will give out of 10,000. To convert any number to multiplication into 100. Correct alva? Then I can cancel this and this. What is the rate of interest? 20 get cancelled. What is the rate of interest? Can anyone explain? That is 6.88%.
So 6.88.
Yeah, 6.8825%. Is it easy to calculate that 6.88? Actually full number barutte. If I cancel this 0 get cancelled, here divided by 100 means this number will move 6.8825. Is it easy to subtract?
No, sir.
We feel little bit difficult, right? That's why we will do another method. That's a method. See, this question definitely you feel tough. Okay, definitely you feel tough to calculate allegation method. But if I solve this question, now see how can I write this equation? First, how much amount? 8%. First. Second, how much amount? 5%. Even this you can write 5 plus 3 if you want. This you can write 5 plus 3%. Even this you can write 8 minus 3% also if you want. But 5% is in a 8% is in a calculation ಮಾಡೋದು 5%. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 5 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಈಸಿ ನಮಗೆ. You can write 8 minus 3 also. You can write. But my suggestion is 5% is easy to calculate instead of 8%. Okay, instead of 8%. Even here number easy ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I can write it. 10,000 easy ಅಲ್ವಾ? Even 8% or 5%, both are easy. So I can write 8 also. No worry. But if it is a number is other number, I can write it 5 plus 3 best. But here I can write 8 minus 3 also, because till now I am doing plus only. Let's do minus also. Okay, let's do minus also, because in the question also they are asking this number. So we can do this is also best. Artha aitalva? So both person they will give 688.25% actually. If I calculate 8% of 10,800, I will get it. Extra ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, I have to remove 680, from 688.25. So that is, first I will 0.25 ml ಮಾಡೋಣ. Afterwards I will subtract. 12 rupee, 700, 100, 12, 11.75. Correct? Is it clear till this point? Please reply all. If it is point, you are not getting.
No, sir, not getting what you are doing.
See, this is the case. 0.25 I will subtract later. This number I will leave it in my mind. Now I have to subtract this and this. 688 and this. Is it clear? You understand 800 minus 688 how?
No, sir.
Actually, you are getting how much interest per annum?
688.25.
Suppose if I calculate instead of here 5%, 8 minus 3%, you will get 8%, you will get 8%, both will get 8%. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
8% of 10,000, how much amount?
800.
You will get extra. Why extra means we are taking extra, that's why. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Actually we have to get 688, but I am getting 800. Now how much extra I am getting, I will take it, which means I need to subtract it. How to do subtraction? We know how to do subtraction. I will assume base method always. So instead of doing like this 0 carry borrow, that I don't like it. Okay, so how I am doing subtraction in my mind, that I will explain. I don't want to write actually these steps. So how I am going to subtract First, in my mind I will leave it 0.25. I will do later subtraction that. First I will do this much subtraction. I will assume 700 is the base. How much more? 100. How much less? 12. 100 plus 12, 112. But I have to subtract actually 0.25 again. Okay, 0.25. In 112, if I subtract 0.25, that will be 311.75. Is it clear? Understood? Why this is equal to 3%? Yes or no? Okay, this is equal to 3%. 3% is equal to 11.75. First 1% is equal to 37.25. 1%. If 1% is equal to 37.25, 100% is equal to 3725. 100% is equal to 3725. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Write on this. So how I am calculated fast agi 37.25. This number is the most important number. Most of the time I said 311. It is related to 37 into 3. It is the most of the times you will get in your simplification. 37 into 3 is a 311. Okay, even 201 is the most important number. 201 is 67 into 3. These two numbers are frequently you will get in your simplification part. 201 is 67 into 3. See, that's why I am doing fast. Here 311 I have, here 3% I have. Which means if I do 3 into 37 will be 311. That I know. That's why I write it directly 37. Just I am doing 75 divided by 3 is 25. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Is it clear?
Yes.
See this
Sir,
question.
if for taking 8% directly, we can take 5% and 5 plus 3. That will be more easier.
You want previous method?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But that will be much easier, no?
Let's solve it. That also, because if you solve that method you will get this value, then you have to subtract from that amount. Yes. That is also easy. Why I am explaining here, you should know both plus and minus.
Okay.
Why I am explaining this method means because not only plus, we can take it minus also. Okay, even I will explain that method also. See now, that is easy actually. Because I am explaining here, you should know plus and minus both cases. See now, I will explain that method also. Here I have 8%. Here I have 5%. If you don't want to subtraction concept, I will write this number 5% plus 3%. This is easy actually. Okay, but the thing is you have to subtract it again. Say now again, 5% actually 500 rupee only, but I got 688.25 extra. How much? 188.25 extra. That is equal to 3%. 3% is equal to 188.3. That is 180 18 3 in the, if I do calculation, 3 6 is 18, 3 2 is 6, again 2 it will come, 3 7 is 21, 3 5 is correct, 62.75. Okay, that is 1% is equal to 62.75. 100% is equal to 6275. 100% is equal to 6275. But they are not asking this, they are asking this value. Out of 10,000, if I subtract 6275, remaining will be 3725. That will be this method. Is it clear? Which method you feel you can take it? Because I am explaining both is a possible, that's why I am taking that.
Sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Repeat once again. You have written 3% is equal to 88.25.
188.25.
Sir, how you are comparing this? I didn't get
See,
that.
if I get 5% here, 5% here, overall 5% only I will get. 5% of 10,500 rupee only I will get.
Yes, sir.
But actually I got how much amount? 688.25. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then how much extra I got?
188.25.
That only I am writing here. extra year 3%. 3% is equal to 188.25, 100% is equal to how much?
Sir, but here it's written Ravi drives an annual income of 688.25. Right, sir? At 8%.
No, both income it is. Ravi drives annual income 680 point from 10,000 rupee is the amount. That is the things we have to do it. Both.
But sir, it is really invested partly at 8% per annum.
I will explain once again. Then you will understand. Wait. Clear this one? Wait. We'll take it one more. Then you will understand. Try this once again. We'll do some more. Solve this question and tell me. Solve this question yourself.
$2,812.
Good. Others also try. Sorry, some mistake. Over this. Okay, write down question. Write down question. 12 taps. Another type question. 12 taps are pitted in a tank. 12 taps
Yeah.
are. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have find the answer by the allegation method, but I didn't get from the second method. Right?
See, now this question is, you can write it here 3%, here 3 plus 2%. 3% overall you will get means 120 rupee, but you got it here 144 rupee. How much extra? 24 rupee extra. 2% is equal to 24, 100% is equal to how much?
Sir, why you are comparing 144? Actually, it is giving the annual interest from both investment is 144.
What is this 144? Tell me.
It is interest SI from both the investment.
Correct. He will give 3%. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to take this number now. Let's assume he is also will give 3% only. Forget about this 2%.
Okay.
E is also will give 3% only, not 5%. Then if we give
Okay.
3%, if we give 3%, overall you will, both will give 3% only.
Yes, sir.
Then what is 3% of 4,000?
Mm. Okay. 120.
120 rupee. Actually they will give, if I assume you will give 3%, you will give 3%, they will give, actually both will give 120 rupee only overall. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
But how much actually they will give both?
145.
Then how much extra?
Yes.
How much extra?
Mm.
That is 24 extra.
Yes, sir.
Why that to 24 extra? Because you will give 2% extra.
Okay.
2% is equal to 24, 100% is equal to how much? That is 1200. So this person will get 1200 rupee. Out of 4000, if we get 1200 rupee, then this person will get remaining amount 2800 rupee. That is the thing. Is it clear?
Now, yes, sir. Now it is clear.
So take question now. Just a minute. Okay, record ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I think ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.